Hey cocktail lovers, you've got us, the Drunken Sailor Cocktail Channel. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and while we make fun, tasty, simple cocktails, today, before we do that, I've got a question for you. Did you know that Crown Royal Apple and caramel pair perfectly, especially when you want to make a nice, sweet, tasty whiskey cocktail? If that's something that you want to find out about, make sure that you stick around. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Hit the notify so that you hear about all our cocktails. But today we are making a caramel crown apple. Let's get pouring. The nice thing about this cocktail is it's actually made in the glass. So our first step is actually going to be to garnish our glass. We're going to use a double old-fashioned glass. And my first step is to take some caramel sauce. We're going to put that on a plate so that we can rim the glass with a brown sugar. We're using turbinado or cane sugar. A little bit of caramel on there. A little or a lot of sugar. And we've got our glass and we're ready to go. Let's get that out of the way. Now our first ingredient going in there, we're going to use about 2 tablespoons, and that's just enough to put a little bit on the bottom of the glass of caramel sauce. I don't know about you, but I love caramel. Our next step in there is to add our Crown Royal Apple. Now for a twist on this, if you want to double it, they also make a caramel whiskey. But we like that apple flavor in here. We're going to use 2 ounces. Now we're going to give that a stir to mix it up. That whiskey will help dissolve that caramel sauce. Now, what I want to do is put in there apple cider. We're going to use 2 ounces of apple cider. And this is from one of our local orchards here. Freshly squeezed, probably yesterday. 2 ounces goes in there. I want to put some ice in there. We're going to chill this down. And our last ingredient going in there is we're going to top this with a little bit of ginger ale, give it some effervescence. Fill that right up to the top. And now to garnish. What else? A cinnamon stick. And let's taste it. You can really taste that smooth apple whiskey with that hint of caramel in there. It is definitely fall in a glass. Cheers, everyone.